Progress, development, science, technology, economic growth, human rights. It is obvious to most of us that these things are good things and that we should desire to have more of them. Some might argue that over the last 200 to 300 years, human beings generally have made progress towards these things. Some even say that it is inevitable that these things have to happen for us to become better, or that they will just happen. The world is progressing. This assumption that these things are desirable, or that these things are going to happen and should happen, is what we might call teleological thinking. The world is ranked according to countries' progress towards the telos. The telos is an assumed end. Very few people today seriously question if we should have development. Everyone agrees that it's a good thing. We rank countries using our measures of development, which are various, according to how far they are from the bottom, as we might see it here, of poverty, ignorance. Some would add in the Enlightenment superstition, where people do not know nature, where they do not study nature according to reason or science, and therefore do not get the benefits of medicine and technology and long health and wealth. And so countries are ranked all the way from here up to the countries that are closest to this goal that all nations should be heading to. Teleological thinking in our world is universalized. That is to mean everyone assumes it is desirable for everyone. There should be no exceptions. No country should not respect human rights. No country should not desire economic growth. No country should not want to have more science and technology. All of these are assumed goods. Teleology began around the Enlightenment to take the force that it has come to take in our world today. And one of the key ways of its expression was its political expression as well as in sciences and technology. It was seen, for instance, that popular democracy, maybe really not popular in some countries, but that democracy was the best way to run countries. That we could rank countries that had democracy here and countries that did not have democracy as somewhere lower in the line. So countries that were here were a problem because they were not being ruled according to the good, the true, and the beautiful. That is, according to nature. So all countries